Welcome to eTEN, simple yet powerful. eTEN Smart Learning for CBSE students. Fully 2D 3D animated video lessons. Concept study material to reinforce learning. Download and use offline.
Symmetry. The world around us is full of interesting shapes. Look at the banyan tree and flowers in the garden. Their shapes are unique and they have occurred naturally. This is the famous Lotus Temple in Delhi, in New Delhi. Designers and engineers have meticulously used the concept of symmetry to create this extraordinary marvel. All these shapes appeal to our eyes because they are beautiful or have some kind of symmetry involved. If you see them from any angle, they look symmetrical and pleasing. Symmetry is when one shape becomes exactly like another if you flip, slide, or turn it. The simplest type of symmetry is reflection or mirror symmetry. In nature, you will find beautiful reflection in water of different landscapes. The line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. There may be one or more lines of symmetry. Let us do a folding test. You can find if a shape has a line of symmetry by folding it. Here I have folded a rectangle one way and it didn't work. But when I try this way, it does work. The folded part sits perfectly on top. All edges match with each other. So this is a line of symmetry. For an irregular quadrilateral, there are no lines of symmetry. Kite. A kite can have maximum one line of symmetry. Rhombus. For a rhombus, the length of all sides are equal. It can have maximum 2 lines of symmetry. Regular polygons. A regular polygon has all sides equal and all angles equal. An equilateral triangle has all sides equal, all angles equal. It has 3 lines of symmetry.
To explore more content for conceptual clarity, give a missed call on 7043-722-733 and get a link to download now. eTEN, simple yet powerful. To know more, call on 7096-722-733. Act now.